Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I make all types of lifestyle content on this channel, from vlogs to home decor videos, skincare, all of that. So if you like those types of videos, then I definitely suggest that you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a new video here on this channel. So today's video is a really exciting one, at least for me, because I've been wanting to complete this room for so long. So as you guys know, I recently, at the end of May, decided not to renew my lease. Right now, I'm working from home full time due to COVID-19 and all of that. I wanted to take advantage of this opportunity and save some money. So my cousin graciously offered her home to me, and I'm so thankful for that. So shout out to you. You guys will see her in a little bit. So even though I knew I would be here for a temporary amount of time, I still wanted to make this room and this space feel like my own and make it feel kind of homey and warm and comfortable for myself and for my dog, since he sleeps in here too. So right now, I know you're probably like, what's going on? It kind of looks a mess, but today we are going to finally tie everything together, tie it up with a nice little bow, and call it a day. But I really want you guys to see what the room looks like now and what I've done to this point. Then we'll clean it up and we'll get started on putting everything together and making it look nicer, because right now it looks a hot ass mess. So this is just like a TV tray, like TV dinner tray. It's actually not really a permanent fixture in my room, but I use it to film. This is what I set my tripod on, so I've just left it in here because of that. Over in this corner, I have gone ahead and hung up these baskets. If you remember, in my last apartment, I had these on the wall above my entryway table, and I really like them. I left the way they look. I did use command hooks to hang them up, and before I used like thumbtacks, which I think worked better because you can't see them. I can see these command hooks, and not gonna lie, it kind of bothers me, but it is what it is. It's not that big of a deal to me. I wanted to use command hooks, that way, you know, I'm not putting any unnecessary holes in the wall and all of that. So they're fine for the time being. I have my plant down here. This is, I had this in my living room at home, but I brought it here just so I could have some greenery. I threw this like strand of bead garland on this basket because I don't know what else to do with it. Like, I still don't know what I want to do with those. So for now, they're just gonna hang out over there. So I have this wall macrame art that I brought with me as well. It's not staying there. I literally just put it up there to get it off of my floor. So yeah, I actually think I'm going to put this above my computer and above my desk. This is my desk area. It's a hot mess right now because there's stuff all over it, but we're gonna get rid of all of that in a minute. I have some prints on the wall that I actually ordered from Shein, randomly of all places, and I like them. I think they're really nice, and they were super affordable. They were only like $3 or $4 per print, so I feel like you can't really beat that. So if you're looking for cheap art, apparently Shein is where you need to go to get that. I was going back and forth about whether or not I wanted to get a TV stand or some sort of furniture to put this TV on, and I still don't know. I might change my mind a month from now and decide to purchase something, but for now it's sitting on this box that my mattress came in. And I talked about this in one of my like first videos when I first moved in, and someone commented on that video and suggested that I just like throw a blanket over it to mask like everything, and I thought that was a great idea. So I did purchase a blanket that I'm going to just throw over that, and hopefully it will tie everything together. So yeah, that's just what it is right now. Like, I don't feel like it's necessary to purchase a piece of furniture when this box is doing a bang up job. So I have my pillows over here on the floor that go on my bed. I have this laundry basket. I got this off of Amazon. I really like it. It looks really small, but you guys, I can easily hold like 2 weeks worth of laundry in there. Trust me, I've done it. And then last but not least, my cousin and I hung up these curtains the other night. I really like them. This is such an inexpensive way and like renter friendly option for hanging curtains. These are literally just command hooks. These are the hooks that hold 5 pounds. And then this is just a tension rod, like one that you would use in your shower. Super easy, super inexpensive, and like so renter friendly. Like I love that. And then these curtains are like a really nice, like thin, sheer, light and airy. I wanted something like light and airy, sort of this beige taupey color, just to pull everything together. I really feel like these curtains just made such a huge difference once I put them in the room. Like it made the whole room just feel so much more warm and cozy. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the room, you see where we're starting with. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go around and actually clean up this room, because I want to start with a clean slate. That way we can slay everything out that needs to still be done. Yeah, let's clean up and then we can get started. So I think I'm gonna start with the easiest thing, which is going to be putting this blanket over this box. Literally just going to close this top down so that it stays closed, because it's been sticking out like that. But this is the blanket that I picked up to go over the box. It has these cute little tassels on it, and I got this from H&M Home. I believe it was like $17. H&M Home's inventory is always so low. I don't know if you guys can see me. Their inventory is just always so low. So if this is still available, I will link it down below. Does the blanket cover the entire box? No, that's because it's a throw blanket. Do I care? Not really. I feel like it does what I needed it to do, which was like cover the top and the front of it so that I don't have to see like the logo and all of that. And I mean, yeah, I'm not mad at this. I feel like it did exactly what I wanted to do. The color is great. So, I mean, from back here, it looks like a blanket over a trunk or a box, and honestly, that's fine with me. So now I think I'm gonna move this and hang it above my desk, and I think I'm just gonna use like a push pin in the wall to hang that up with, because I mean, why not? Super easy. That actually looks pretty center with the wall there. So it's centered with the wall and not my computers, obviously, because my monitors are kind of off to the side so that I have room for my laptop over here. So yeah, so that's why it's kind of, it doesn't look centered with the computers, but it's centered in the wall. So that is good for me. I feel like it could be just a tad bit higher, maybe, but I'm short. So that's as high as it's gonna get for now. I hate when I record a whole clip. Literally, I was just talking for like 2 minutes straight and none of it recorded. Basically, what I was saying is I'm about to work on these prints next. I have these like frame things, these like hanging frame type things that I bought off of Amazon. They're 12 inches, but my prints are 12.8. I did not know that at the time. Should have paid more attention to that. So I'm just cut them down. Like as you can, well, I've cut this one. It's the only one that I've tested out so far. So I cut this one down. These are what they normally look like around the border. These were only like $3 or $4 off of Shein, super cheap, which is why I was okay with cutting them. Had I paid like $30, $40 for them, I would not even consider doing that. But since they're so cheap, like I just don't even care. And I don't even know if they're gonna come with me, you know, to my next place. I literally just wanted something to go in this room. So yeah, I don't really care about cutting them that much. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna cut those down. I have them on the wall. They're not like where they're going to go. They're not, I haven't measured out or spaced out to make sure that they were equal distance or anything like that. I just threw them on the wall so that I could get an idea of what they would look like in this room. So yeah, so that's what we're going to tackle next. To not have like used literally any measuring tape, I didn't measure any of this shit out. I don't know why, but I'm pretty good at just like figuring out the spatial like space in between things and like being able to hang things like in the middle and stuff. I mean, are they probably perfectly aligned? No, I feel like the one in the middle could come up like literally just a smidgen, just a smidge moved up. And I might do that at some point. But overall, like, I feel like I got them up there pretty good. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'm crazy about them, but I don't hate them. Last but not least, all I have to do is hang this bad boy. This is my headboard that's going on this wall. And I'm a little nervous, but I'm also really excited. Like, this is the thing that's going to tie this whole room together, and I'm so excited about it. Love this. I'm literally obsessed. Like, it looks so good. It looks so good. I'm just hoping it doesn't like come crashing down on my head in the middle of the night. Like, that's the only thing. But otherwise, I think it looks so good. Okay, let me put the pillows back on here and we will do the final reveal of this room. So I just did something off camera really quickly. I took the like command hook, like the command hook paper. It was actually the one for this one. And I took that and I stuck it to the back, one on each side, and stuck it to the wall just because I noticed that it was coming off the wall a bit, and I use my ceiling fan every night pretty much when I sleep. So I didn't want it to be like moving too much on the wall and then it might fall down or something. And so I just felt like that would make it a little bit more secure. But you guys, we're done. video. This was a pretty simple room makeover. It wasn't anything too extreme. Most of this stuff was stuff that I already owned, with a few new things that I brought in. I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. It's kind of just like a bunch of shit that I like thrown all together, and I know that won't be everyone's cup of tea. And that's okay, because I'm the one that has to live here and sleep here, and I like it. It's very warm and cozy in here to me, and I'm happy with the way that it turned out. So yeah, I don't have too much more to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more home decor videos and stuff like that, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and I can do this for you. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.